Special conditions in the marriage contract. Marriage contracts usually take a standard format. However, special conditions may be incorporated into them. Such special conditions can provide different rights to either of the parties, but we have seen a prevalence of conditions which focus on giving the wife additional rights. One example of these special conditions gives the wife a right to petition for a divorce on her behalf. She is, however, only able to do this if the husband marries someone else before her death. This right is a significant one for a wife. Another reoccurring special condition makes the wife entitled to a high amount of Mahr, or what is generically referred to as dowry. This Mahr should not generally be high. However, the contract often stipulates a high amount, and this can be defined in terms of a high-value cash amount, or, for example, several gold coins. However, in the UAE, the Mahr amount for UAE nationals should not exceed 50,000 dirhams. A marriage contract with such a special condition, which refers to Mahr, enables the wife to claim the Mahr either up front, on demand, or upon divorce. This right can cause certain issues for a husband, since contractually he must pay the Mahr once demanded by the wife. This right is also an obligation which cannot easily be waived, and most certainly cannot be waived by the husband himself. Instead, it can only be waived through express written consent by the wife. The relevant law based upon Sharia is Federal Law No. 28 of 2005, the Personal Status Law, PSL. This law governs the UAE citizens as well as residents, whereas the provisions of a civil marriage contract under Federal Decree Law No. 41 of 2002 on civil personal status governs the non-Muslim population of the country. The principles of civil marriage as laid down in the Civil Personal Status Law 2022 do not provide for any special conditions as such to be incorporated into the marriage contract. Whereas the relevant articles of the Personal Status Law of 2005 are discussed in more details as follows. Article 52 defines the times at which the wife can claim and also limits her rights in certain circumstances. As described above, the Mahr can be requested up front, at the time of the contract or after the marriage. There is the option to pay partially too, which the wife should agree to. Article 53 refers to situations where the husband refuses to pay the amount agreed to in the signed contract, yet the marriage contract has already been entered into. In this case, the Mahr amount will be a debt owed to the wife. As lowering or reducing the Mahr may not be possible, both parties should be well informed about the conditions of their marriage contract.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.